My loyal viewers, supporters, and the one them where I watch and not say nothing. No worries, still a spoon. Alright, love on the same way. Yeah, so I'm up. The kitchen I get started. Yeah man. And we have some nice things that go on in there today. And for all of the people them where
love them belly.
Yeah man. The show I go start. Alright? Alright, so quickly, just show what I go on. Yeah, so this is my Homestyle rum punch. Yeah, so I already add all of the ingredients in the blender. So I just give a quick review from bottom to top. So I have raw peanut mixed with a pack of Sunshine snack peanuts in the bottom. On top of that, I have some oats. Yeah, some raw oats. On top of that, I have some ripe bananas. Yeah, well sliced up. Yeah, 2-finger ripe banana to this mix. Yeah, alright. On top of that, I have half bottle of dragon. Yeah, dragon stout. See, on top of that, I have some vanilla. Right, you can see the little black. Yeah, so I have vanilla and I have rose and almond water, that yellow. Yeah man, so all of that I have to add to the mix. Yeah, because we make a blend. Seeing, and on top of that now I have some sugar, yeah, and I have some soy milk as well. Seeing, soy milk, I might think that I can't drink milk, so I have to drink the soy milk. Alright, so on top of the soy milk you know, I have some rum. Yeah man, some white rum. Yeah, I wish I could have smelled it. Yeah man, it smells good. So alright, so all of that I add to this one thing here. I make a blend. Yeah man. Make some already. Yeah. If you can see it over here, so. Yeah man. Make some already. Well nice, me I tell you. See there? Yeah. So the second one, this me I go fire, me I tell you man. Me don't know about more strong. Alright. So I go for put on the blender top, the blender top now. Yeah, plug in the blender. Seeing, I go blend. Alright, start it off like that. Yeah, yeah. So everything I mix in now. Yeah man, you have to make a greater blend, you know. Everything blend out, you know. Alright, so when it's done, I'll show you what. Alright, so I'm done blending now, yeah. See there, everything I tell you say in this, yeah, in there, and it well nice and tastes good, yeah. So from bottom again, you have raw peanuts, you have oats in there, ripe banana, soy fresh milk, vanilla, nutmeg, rose and almond water, rum, sugar, and water. Yeah man. Anything else if you add to this man? Sure. Broke me I go broke man back. You know want to do that, so yeah what? Yeah man. It's nice man. Yeah man. Alright. So I eat that, yeah? Homestyle rum punch. Thanks again for tuning into Dean's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man. Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.